Union Home Minister Amit Shah was campaigning for the BJP in West Bengal. That's when he's made an attack on the Mamata Banerjee-led government there in the state and the TMC, raking up Sandesh Khali once again, going on to assure the victims and the women of Sandesh Khali that they need not worry. We will ensure that culprits are punished. The women need not worry. Bengal is #1 in corruption. And that's something that the TMC will not be able to run away from, says the Union Home Minister. Remember, Sandesh Khali is an issue that the BJP has kept the heat on as far as the Mamata Banerjee-led government is concerned. Several twists and turns have come to the fore as far as the case goes. Several victims have recanted, have gone on to say that they were asked to make certain statements to the probe agency. That's something that has armed the TMC in the state against the BJP, against the National Commission for Women as well. But in the backdrop of all that, the BJP, the Union Home Minister, keeping up the heat on the TMC as far as the Sandesh Khali issue goes. Kamalika, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Kamalika, even though we're seeing several twists and turns as far as the investigation in the Sandesh Khali cases go, the BJP keeping up the heat on the TMC, the political war of words continues there?
Oh, absolutely. Amit Shah, just in his meeting in Nadia, again stressed that the culprits of Sandesh Khali will be punished severely, and the people of Sandesh Khali, the women of Sandesh Khali, they should not worry because BJP is there and BJP is going to give punishment to Sandesh Khali culprits, and CBI is looking into the matter. Though he has not mentioned anything on the sting operation or whatever controversy is going on, but his message was clear that in Sandesh Khali, BJP too will not take out their hands, and they are really going to keep Sandesh Khali in the forefront of their campaign, be it Amit Shah, be it Prime Minister. Sandesh Khali definitely is going to be very important, and till the last phase, they are going to actually target the Sandesh Khali. They are actually going to stay on Sandesh Khali, encash the Sandesh Khali thing, and they are going to continuously campaign on that ground.